This beautiful family home high on the hill in Swanbourne really is a home for all seasons. In the summertime you can enjoy the entertaining area by the pool, and in the winter you can cosy up by the fireplace. The owners have meticulously taken care of every detail in the renovation on this home to create a home that is just so easy for you and your family to live in. The versatility is a big bonus as well. The master bedroom and parents' retreat and study are upstairs, while the big open plan living spaces, front and back, and the kids' rooms are all downstairs. And the storage is next level. A giant double garage with extra workshop space, a full attic, and another store. From the moment you walk in the front gates, you will recognise the quality in this thoughtful renovation. On a leafy, quiet street, just 100 metres from the nearby park and walking distance to Swanbourne Village and the train. In an era when building can be tricky, I highly recommend you come and have a look at this home.